Here with Catifying, first day of the Southern Manufacturing Show 2020. It's been a really busy day for us. Seen loads of prospects talking about how mobile is going to change their organisations. We've also had a run around the show at the end of the evening just to see how people have found it, and the consensus is good day today and looking for a good day tomorrow.
Paul Newbat, I'm the Sales and Marketing Director with Vision Engineering. We manufacture inspection microscopy equipment and measurement equipment. Great start to the show. Very interested customers. We've got some new technology here in the 3D inspection system. Some measurement equipment over there, which is brand new to the show. So we're looking forward to an excellent show over the 3 days.
Marl International is based up in Ulverston in Cumbria. We are primarily an LED company with about 45 years experience in design and manufacture of LED components, LED systems and integrated lighting specialised systems for a whole range of customers worldwide. On the stand we're displaying quite a number of the components that we manufacture, which are sort of like LED panel indicators for military, for aircraft, for trains.
We've had some great conversations about how mobile technologies are being used to enhance the product experience, particularly about getting product knowledge into people's hands. Coming in the future as well for Catifying, we've been having conversations about that today, is enabling more complex products to be integrated with IoT and Bluetooth directly from the mobile device, and we've had some, again, excellent conversations around that.